We're going to start with that snowfall potential map with a reminder that we may have to adjust this map as we get new data. We may have to make the 5 to 8 band a little thinner, may have to adjust it a little farther south. What you need to know, no matter how much snow we get, we do have snow on the way, the threat for ice on the way, and what will follow, a blast of Arctic air and some gusty winds that will blow and drift the snow as we head into the weekend. Right now, the thinking is the heaviest snow falls across the northern half of the state with a band of 3 to 5 along and just south of I-70, where more mixing takes place, lower snow totals for those of you in Bedford and Seymour. Even that could change if it looks like we get some wraparound snow on the backside of this storm system after that wintry mix to the southern part of the state. Lots still to iron out with this developing winter storm. We're going to continue to keep you updated. Ahead of the winter storm, National Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch that will either change to a winter storm warning or a winter weather advisory or a combination of both depending on snowfall potential, and that will come out most likely first thing tomorrow morning. Again, we've got accumulations of ice and snow in the forecast for Saturday. Winds will start to increase midday, may gust 35 to 45, causing blowing and drifting snow. What will follow that? Arctic air arriving Saturday night. We'll have all of this for you in the 7-day forecast.
All right. Thanks, Angela.